How to resolve invalid argument exception, invalid cache path in Laravel. If you've been working with Laravel and encountered the error message invalid argument exception, invalid cache path, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise due to misconfiguration in your Laravel application. Here's a concise guide to help you resolve this problem. Understanding the error. The invalid argument exception, invalid cache path error typically occurs when Laravel cannot find or access the cache directory. Laravel relies heavily on cache paths for various operations, and if one of these paths is not correctly configured, this exception will be thrown. Common causes and solutions. Invalid cache directory. Ensure that the cache directory exists and is correctly named. Laravel's default cache directory is located at storage/framework/cache. Permission issues. Your web server must have the appropriate permissions to read and write to the cache directory. Run the following command to set the correct permissions. The user and group, www data in this case, should match the user and group running your web server. Configuration files. Check your configuration files. Specifically, look at config/cache.php and ensure that the cache path is correctly set. It typically looks like this in the file driver configuration. Make sure the path provided here exists and is accessible. Clearing cache. Sometimes, cached files can cause issues even if the paths are correct. Clear your application cache using the following artisan command. This will remove all items from the cache directory. Environment configuration. Ensure that your environment file, .env, is properly set up. The .env file should not include incorrect or conflicting paths that might cause Laravel to break when trying to resolve the cache path. Summary. The invalid argument exception, invalid cache path error in Laravel can usually be fixed by ensuring that the cache directory exists, has the correct permissions, and is correctly referenced in your configuration files. Running cache clearing commands can also help resolve this issue. By following the steps outlined above, you can efficiently troubleshoot and fix this error, ensuring your Laravel application runs smoothly. Hopefully, this guide aids you in overcoming this common Laravel challenge. Happy coding!